Are you back out? Don't think too hard. Oh, great. Gonna have to clean that up later. Alright, bud. Have some snacks. Hi, Gracie. Coming in to be my critic. Got some cat fud right there. You're not gonna go hiding. So this is Grace Kelly. Named after the famous Grace Kelly. But she seems not as sociable as Grace Kelly would have been. Which is ironic that I'm actually editing a trombone video here, and she came in and started to yell at me, and now she's walking away. Sticking her head through the door where our least friendly kitty hangs out. So it's kitchen time, buddy. Magic walking around a little bit, and Gracie. And apparently the kitchen this time of day is the popular spot to be. Oh, you want some attention, don't you? There you go. What's going on? You want to go out? And you know that's not happening. Want to check it out? Really nothing out there.